Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you a theme park that wasn't built by a big game studio, but by an 11-year-old creator using Minecraft education and more than 1,600 lines of Python code. The child isn't just playing Minecraft, they're using code to build a world you can actually walk into, explore, and play in. This custom theme park includes rides we all recognize from real life: a carousel, a tower drop ride, a super cool roller coaster, ice bumper boats, shooting game booths, and lots of little interactive surprises behind every ride. There's real Python code that makes everything come to life. Let's start with the most intense ride, the tower drop. This ride has to do more than just drop you from a height. In the code, there's a whole sequence. First, the ride lifts flares up slowly, building that feeling of we're going higher and higher. Then it pauses at the top for a moment of suspense. And finally, it drops down quickly, giving you that surprise and excitement. Next, there's the carousel. In normal Minecraft, horses usually just stand around. In this project, those horses actually move in a circle like a real merry-go-round. Using code, the child makes each horse follow a circular path, step by step. What we see is a ring of horses spinning happily. What the computer sees is a loop, coordinates, functions, and variables working together. It's basically using math and programming to tell a story about motion and rotation. Then comes the most interesting features: game booths. Like a fun chick shooting game, players can pick up a bow, aim at moving chickens, and try to hit their targets. This looks like a simple mini game, but the logic behind it is powerful. The program needs to detect when a chicken is hit, figure out which one, where it happened, and what to do next. That means events, conditions, and scoring systems, all core concepts in programming, are hiding behind a playful shooting game. Now, let's slide over to one of the most playful areas of the park, the ice bumper boats. Instead of water, these boats glide across a big frozen ice line. Players hop into boats and slide round on the ice, bumping into each other and bouncing off the walls with code. The game controls how the boats move on this perry surface. Because everything is happening on ice, movement feels extra smooth and slippery. Behind all that spinning and crashing, the code is quietly handling things like direction, speed, simple collision checks, and boundaries. To the players, it's just a crazy ice bumper battle. To the computer, it's a great lesson in controlling motion and interactions with code. Of course, no theme park is complete without a super cool roller coaster. In this project, the roller coaster twists and turns around the park, with climbs, drops, and sharp curves that give players a real sense of speed. With code, the child can control how the minecarts are launched, how fast they go up the hills, and how they race down the slopes. The program can even place tracks, power rails, and decorative elements automatically, instead of building everything by hand. As players ride the coaster, they might pass by other rides, dive through tunnels, or shoot out over the ice before turning back to the station. Underneath the excitement, the roller coaster is a mix of path planning, timing, and automation. The script decides where the track should go, when to boost the carts, and how to reset everything. For the next rider, it's a perfect example of how coding can turn a simple ride into a full, repeatable experience. In the end, here's what this project really is: an 11-year-old using over 1,600 lines of Python code in Minecraft education to build a complete working theme park and their own ideas about fun and design.
Thanks for visiting this kid-made theme park in Minecraft education. Now it's your turn to press run and build your own. Let's see what happens when imagination meets programming, and when a blocky world becomes a moving, living dream.
This world is so big, I lost my house. Where's my house?
Please, I found a